And we have more on a breaking news story from Russia's war on Ukraine. Ukrainian officials say a children's hospital in Kyiv has been hit by a Russian missile barrage. That is a look at the desperate search for victims. Kyiv's mayor says searchers can hear voices of people trapped in the rubble. Tom Perry is in London with more.
Well, we've seen reports now of as many as 31 people killed in this daytime attack. The mayor of Kyiv says that the Ohmatdyt Children's Hospital was hit, and images from the scene just show people removing rubble by hand from this very badly damaged building. Some of those people look like medical workers from the clothes they're wearing, the white coats and scrubs. There are rescue workers as well. They're trying to clear debris. And there are scenes as well of heavy damage inside the hospital, also images of children who've been evacuated. Now, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelenskyy says it's believed there are still people trapped in the rubble. He says Russia fired roughly 40 missiles at cities across the country. Officials say 10 people were killed in the central Ukrainian city of Kyiv. That's Zelenskyy's hometown. It's been repeatedly attacked since Russia launched its full-scale invasion in 2022. There were also strikes in Dnipro, Slovyansk, Pokrovsk, and Kramatorsk. In eastern Ukraine, President Zelenskyy was actually in Poland at the time of this attack. He's en route to Washington for that NATO summit. That's going to include Prime Minister Justin Trudeau. And of course, Zelenskyy has been pushing NATO to provide Ukraine with more air defense systems so it can defend itself more capably against this kind of attack.
And Tom, what kind of reaction are we hearing?
Well, President Zelenskyy just spoke in Warsaw with Polish Prime Minister Donald Tusk. Zelenskyy vowed retaliation for this strike. He says Ukraine managed to down most of the missiles that Russia fired, but clearly not all of them. And at this event with the Polish Prime Minister, he actually called for a moment of silence for all those who died in this attack.